Hey, want to add a touch of handmade magic to your Easter decoration? Then this bunny applique works up in minutes and perfect for beginners. So let's get started. We will first start by making a magic ring. To make a magic ring, hold your yarn like this. Wrap the yarn around your two fingers and hold it with this finger. Now you can see a nice X shape formed here. So insert your hook underneath this yarn and slowly pull the other yarn to this side. And then slowly pull the working yarn through the loop. So this creates a magic ring. After making a magic ring, we will make 3 chains. So 1, 2, 3. After making 3 chains, we will make 3 double crochets. 1, 2, 3. After making 3 double crochets, we will make 6 triple crochet. So to make a triple crochet, yarn over twice, insert your hook inside the magic circle, yarn over, pull up a loop. Now you have 4 loops on the hook, yarn over and pull through the first 2, yarn over and pull through the next 2, yarn over and pull through the last 2. So this creates 1 triple crochet. We will make 5 more. So yarn over twice, insert your hook, second one, third one, fourth one, fifth one, sixth one. After making 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 triple crochet, we will make 3 double crochet in the same magic ring. So this is the first double crochet. Yarn over once, insert your hook, yarn over, pull up a loop, 3 loops on the hook, yarn over and pull through first 2, yarn over and pull through next 2. So we made 2. This is the third one. After making 3 double crochets, 6 triple crochets and 3 double crochets, we will now pull the tail of the magic ring to bring the loops closer, and now we will insert our hook on top of the first double crochet. So this is the first double crochet we made. On top we can see a chain here. So inside that we will make our slip stitch. So yarn over and pull through this loop. So this finishes the head, and now we will move on to ears. For that we will make 6 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. After making 6 chains, turn your work. You can see back bars here. So these are the back bars. So you can see 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So skip the first back bar. Into the second one, insert your hook and make a slip stitch. Into the next back bar, make a slip stitch. Into the next back bar, make a slip stitch. Into the next back bar, here make a slip stitch, and you can see this is the first chain, so the back bar of that one is this. So insert there and make a slip stitch. After that we will slip stitch where we started. So this is the base of first ear. Now we will move on to the second ear. For that, insert your hook in the next chain here and make a slip stitch first, and then repeat the same. Make 6 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. After making 6 chains, turn the chains. You can see the back bars. Skip the first back bar here, and into the second one make a slip stitch. Again into the next back bar make a slip stitch. Into the next one slip stitch. Into the next one slip stitch, and into the last one here make the last slip stitch. So after making that, we will slip stitch in the same chain where we started. So this completes the base of both the ears. And now we will slip stitch in every chain. So again insert your hook in the next chain and slip stitch. Insert your hook in the next chain, slip stitch. Into the next chain, slip stitch. Into the next chain, slip stitch. So after making slip stitch in every stitch, now you can see chains here. So you can see chains this side also and this side also. So this is the front loop and this is the back loops. So we will work on the back loops only. So we will insert our hook. You can see in the back loop of this chain and make your first slip stitch. And then into the next 3 stitches, 1, 2, 3, we will make 3 single crochets. So insert your hook in the back loop and make your first single crochet, and then into the next back loop second single crochet, and into the third one third single crochet, and into the next chain here. You can see into the next chain here we will make a single crochet first, and then we will make a half double crochet in the same chain gap. So we made 1 slip stitch, 3 single crochet, and then we made 1 single crochet, 1 half double crochet, and into the next chain here we will make 1 half double crochet and 1 single crochet in the same chain. We made 1 half double crochet and 1 single crochet in the same chain, and then in the next 3 stitches we will make a single crochet. So first one, second one, and third one. After making 3 single crochet into the next chain, only in the back loop we will make one slip stitch. So this finishes one ear. And now we will slip stitch here. Insert your hook here and make a slip stitch. So we will move on to the next ear. For that, insert your hook in the back loop of the first chain and make a slip stitch. And into the next 3 chains, you can see 1, 2, 3. Into the next 3 chains, insert your hook in the back loops only and make 3 single crochet. 1, 2, 3. After making 3 single crochet, into the next stitch here, we will make a single crochet and a half double crochet in the same chain. And now into the next chain we will make a half double crochet first. We will first make a half double crochet and into the same chain we will make a single crochet, and then into the next 3 stitches 1, 2, 3 we will make single crochets in back loop only. So 1, into the next chain, 2, into the next chain, 3. After making 3 single crochets into the last chain here, we will make a slip stitch. And now cut your yarn. Slowly remove the yarn. Take this, insert it in a big eye needle like this. And now follow me carefully. You can see a chain here, not this, into this from back side. You can see this is the front side. So from the back side you insert your needle and pull the loop, and then insert your needle in the last chain that we made on the ear, and then weave the tail. Just tie them both. Tie a permanent knot and just trim the excess yarn. I made this bow using crochet cottons like this. These are very fine yarn, but to work with this I need to use a very fine hook. If I use a fine hook, it is hard for you to follow the pattern. So for that reason I am using the regular yarn. We will make a slip knot and then make 3 chains. 1, 2, 3. After making 3 chains, we will make a half double crochet in the very first chain we made. So here make 1 half double crochet and second half double crochet. So make 2 half double crochets and then chain 2, 1, 2, and slip stitch in the same chain gap in the very first chain. We made one side of the bow. We will now move on to this other side. For that, make 2 chains and make 2 half double crochet in the same chain gap. You can see the first chain, very first chain we made, right? Inside that, we will make 2 half double crochets and then 2 chains, 1 and 2, and slip stitch in the same first chain, in the same chain. So this completes a quick bow. Cut the yarn, leave a lengthy tail because we will be wrapping the same in the middle. So hold this as usual and then wrap this yarn in the middle and then tie a knot at the back of the bow. And now you can use the same tail to attach this bow on your bunny like this. So like this. So if you are fine with handling the fine yarn, you can go ahead and use fine yarn to make the bow. Otherwise, you can do this as I made a small bow here. I will attach this one here. So take your hook. So insert your hook here and grab one tail. And now insert your hook here and grab the other tail. And just tie a permanent knot. And just trim the excess yarn. You can see how nice this bunny looks and it takes shape very quickly. You can add a safety eyes like this or you can use it as it is. Hope you like this tutorial. If you do, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.